morning. Welcome back to the vlog. It is Vlogtober day 9, y'all. So this is gonna be a little chill day in the life with me. I'm going to make some pumpkin muffins this morning for breakfast. Everybody is pretty much asleep except for me and Ray. I think Mariah woke up, but I don't know if she went back to lay down. Today I'm going to try to take my eyeglasses to get them fixed. I've been wearing these ghetto frames, so hopefully we can get to do that. We're gonna be dropping off Mariah at the Muse paint bar to have a little chill, little day out with her friend today. And we're gonna see what this Saturday brings us, y'all. So I'm about to start on these pumpkin muffins, and I'll come back to y'all when I'm put together, because right now, y'all, I'm looking a hot mess. Okay guys, so we are trying this no mess bagging method pumpkin muffins. So you're gonna need 2 bananas. I'm gonna put them in a bag, and I'm gonna let Ann go ahead and smush them together, because you need to smush the bananas first. So go ahead and smush them up, Ann. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna add a cup of pureed pumpkin. Cup of salted melted butter. Okay, so I have 2 eggs, packed brown sugar, a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, a tablespoon of pumpkin spice, and I also added some nutmeg, a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a little bit of cinnamon. And now you're supposed to mix everything together in the bag. So now you're gonna add 4 cups of wheat flour, a cup and a half of white chocolate chips.
Let me put the pumpkin muffins. Pumpkin muffins.
And then we're gonna mix everything together. So you want to cut your bag maybe about 2 inches, and we're going to be using the bag to pipe our batter, and we're going to let these bake on 350. That's what the recipe says, and we're going to bake these for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to be using this silicone 12-cup muffin pan, and yeah, so we're just going to start going ahead and piping our batter. Alright you guys, we're gonna pop these in the oven, and I will see you guys later. Alright you guys, our muffins are out. I put them on a cooling rack so they can cool, and I let Ann try one. We've been nibbling on this one and they came out pretty good. Now the recipe calls for you to add some walnuts, and I wish I would have added some, but they are pretty good guys. I'm gonna let them cool, and I will be back.
Oh yeah.
Alright you guys, we are about to head out to the paint bar to drop Mariah off, because she's going to meet with her friends, and hopefully I can get my glasses fixed. You guys, I'm trying to walk down the stairs and not fall but hopefully I can get my glasses fixed today. Hopefully. My fingers are crossed, because I'm tired of my glasses falling off my face. But I will see you guys when we get to the mall and all the stuff that we're doing, because we are rushing. It's at 3 o'clock. It is 2:30, but we're right around the corner. So I will see you guys when we get there. guys, so we dropped Mariah off. We are about to head to the mall. Woo. Hopefully I can get my glasses fixed. I also want to try to look in Five Below, see if they got some new things in there. And I don't know what we're gonna do after that. I know I need to straighten up my vanity. I might film me doing that for you guys. But yeah, you guys, I will see you guys back at the mall. All right, you guys, I got my glasses fixed. We're about to go to Five Below. You wanna go to Five Below, Ray? All right, we're gonna go Five Below, and I will see you guys when we get to the store or we get home, whichever comes first, y'all. Bye, Ray. Alright, you guys, so we're back in the car. We're about to go pick up Mariah. I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you for hanging out with me. I will see you guys tomorrow in the next ones. Before you leave, make sure you go ahead and give this video a big like, because that really helps out my channel. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ray. Bye, y'all.